guys, it's Kay and Zahorski, and welcome to my unboxing video of this Airtec Motorsports intercooler system. So here we have this big box. It's like almost the whole size as me. I got it already cut open, so it was easy to open. First thing, we have sealed air. Plenty of that. We'll definitely need it for the install. Next we have, very carefully, okay, we'll start down here. We got these elbow joints. Yes, good job. They got Pro hoses written on them. Gloss black Pro kit. 1, 2, 3 elbows and a little adapter guy in there. Here's your squeaky. There's another thing. This is, looks like hose clamps. We've got, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hose clamps. Definitely gonna need those. Let's take this out here. Some more sealed air. Perfect, thank you. I will say it's a little bit difficult with these flaps. Basically, going farther than the ground, I can't get it down any farther. So it does get a little bit difficult trying to open it up easily with one person. Alrighty, we got this guy. You can very faintly say that it says Airtec in there. It's not too heavy. You know, I mean, it's heavy enough that I couldn't hold it all day, but light enough that I can just pick it up. Set this down right here. There we go. Alrighty, next we got this wrapped Big Boost hot side boost pipe. That's what it says. Doesn't say what color it is underneath this wrapping. Guess we'll find out. The next one, this is Boost Cold Side Boost Pipe. There's 2 stickers on this one. That is interesting, but that is what this one is. Black only, it says, so I can only assume that's what the others are. And I think all the rest is just sealed air. I think that's it. No, like, packing slip. Oh, wait, here we go. Scan for fitting instructions. This is the Boost fitting kit, including 2 brackets. There you go, you can see that. Okay, so let's take out all the sealed air because maybe there's something we're missing here. Oh yeah, that looks comfortable. Alrighty, yeah. Completely empty box now. It is ready for cat inspection now. She's now run underneath the box, so I guess we'll just leave it. Thanks for coming to my unpacking.